My name is Dr. Michael Green. I'm a board-certified OBGYN. I'm also the Chief Medical Officer of Winona, and I'm here to answer your questions. One of the common questions we get is about DHEA, and unfortunately there's a lot of misinformation on the internet about DHEA, and it's honestly not all misinformation. It has to do with the difference of dosing. So there's all kinds of things on the internet that are really scary because these really high doses of DHEA can have some significant testosterone-like side effects, things like hair loss, voice deepening, and facial hair. At the 25 to 50 milligram dose, we really don't see these side effects. And so DHEA, again, at the dosage that Winona uses, really should not cause hair loss. And in fact, when DHEA is combined with hormone replacement therapy, estrogen and progesterone, the long-term net effect really is increased hair growth, thicker and more healthy hair. And the DHEA really should not get in the way of that. So to answer the question of does DHEA cause further hair loss, the answer is no, it really shouldn't at the 25 to 50 milligram dose. So at Winona, we never dose DHEA above 50 milligrams per day, and that's because DHEA above 50 milligrams can have some significant side effects. In fact, DHEA can be used as a performance-enhancing drug, particularly in the bodybuilding community and other sporting communities. People will use DHEA to help improve muscle and energy, and it's considered cheating by some sports organizations. And so there are people that take very high doses of DHEA to help with this type of issue. However, DHEA at 50 milligrams or 25 milligrams isn't the same thing as these really high mega doses that are used as a performance-enhancing drug.